Step 1. Draw a straight line. Step 2. Draw a second line next to the first line, 6 centimeters away. Step 3. Draw a 45-degree line on both sides, 6 centimeters long. If you use the same triangle, then angle it to 17 degrees. Step 4. Draw a 45-degree line to the first 45-degree line on both sides, or to 6 degrees on the triangle. Step 5. Turn the pipe and draw straight lines where the points end. Step 6. Repeat the previous steps. Step 7. Mark the objects to cut. Step 8. Cut the marked objects. Don't forget to use safety glasses. Step 9. Remove the cut objects. Step 10. Bend the pipe. I hope you enjoy the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more content.